Welcome everybody. This is the Feeder Cattle Futures Review, January 2022 contracts. We're looking at /GF for November 17th, 2021. Just right away, I'm noticing that the 50-day moving average has been moving down. Okay, it's moving downward. And the last couple days, a little bit of bump here and here, but today was not a lot going on. A range of 1.62, 1.63. Pretty small candlesticks going on here. The feeder cattle tracking right above this 50-day moving average. And I thought maybe for these 2 days that were right here and here, that we would start pulling away. But nope, today we got this candlestick that pretty much pulled back, almost touched it. What was the low today? 157 and 7/8. And you can see up there that the 50-day moving average is 157 and 11 cents. So still hovering right above this 50-day, and then the 50-day is kind of leveling out here just a little bit. So we'll have to wait to see what this is going to do. So far, just tracking right along. Again, even the live cattle futures are doing the same thing, just tracking right along that 50-day. Let's take a look at the monthly. Yep. Small candlestick, guys. Let me see if I can get this to get away from the arc a little bit here, from the cycle. Small candlestick for this month, yeah. The range on that is $9.82 worth of range on the November candlestick. So a pretty small candlestick. Is above that 50-month moving average of 143.79, we'll call it. And there's a bit of a gap that's developed here between the 50-month moving average and the candlesticks. So that's a pretty good sign. At least it's holding its head above water. Let me go back to we'll look at the weekly, then I'm going to go back and look at the daily for a second. So on the weekly, the SMI still showing prices want to go up. Big Daddy said prices are going to go down. Long-term indicator here, MACD says MACD prices are going to go down. And, these prices are just, even on the weekly, just tracking above the 50-week and kind of closing ground here just a little bit, from back here, obviously, when we had a lot more amplitude coming down to the 50-week moving average. Right now it's pretty tight, right? Pretty tight. It's been tight. This one even came down just 2 weeks ago and basically touched it right here. So really a big price stall going on. We've seen it even back here in October of last year. Look at that. Just straight across. And even here, in the beginning of 2021, price just kind of stalling. Okay. Yeah, all the way through here, guys. Same thing happened last year. Exact same thing. This time period right here. Just prices just tracking sideways, which is kind of what we're seeing right now. Tends to happen in some years. You get that seasonal kind of transition where prices just stall. But I think as we get towards maybe going into the new year, late December, it looked like last year that price finally started to want to wake up and do something other than just tracking sideways. So for right now, looks like prices continue to just track sideways. I do want to go back to the daily here and just look at one thing on that cycle. Talking about this cycle right here. And usually when we get two cycles come together, this is cycle analysis, these green arcs, prices will come down. And it looks like prices might have came down early. Though this little dip right here could have easily been also the end of this cycle. So this cycle ends way over here, December 17th. So prices look, the way they look right now, barely hovering above this 50. I mean, that looks kind of weak to me. I think prices on the average are gonna probably would have a tendency to track down as we get towards this time frame right here, December 17th. So at the moment, I don't see anything that's going to tell me that expect any kind of major price increase, right? I just see a lot of price stall, both in the feeder and the live cattle futures, and like mid-December, I could see prices even maybe declining down into that a little bit. So keep your head up for that. That I don't think we're going to see a huge price increase through this time of year. I just don't think it's going to happen. Okay, guys, the gals in front of you is a membership, $5.95 a month. Take advantage of it. I've been saying it in my videos. I put out the premium membership last week. And a lot of people have joined, and a lot of people, they've more than made their money back on the membership. They made years worth of their money back on the membership. So take advantage of the $5.95. It's a really good deal. I'll put out videos, pretty much 5 days a week, guys, for the premium members, okay? And what I show to them, I don't show to the public. Right here on this video is for the general public consumption, but on the premium membership, I'm showing them any product that I think is potentially going to be a good profitable trade. Of course, they're educational videos only, and they do what they will with them. I don't give them financial advice, okay? So take advantage of it, the membership while you can. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give me a thumbs up, and click that little bell to be notified of all the videos while they come out. If you want to join, the join button's right below this video. Okay, guys, talk to you all real soon. Again, next time.